In the world of digital marketing, have you ever wondered what SEO is and why it's so crucial? Well, SEO, or search engine optimization, is the art and science of improving a website's visibility and ranking on search engine results pages, also known as SERPs. SEO is like the secret sauce that gives your website the flavor it needs to stand out in the crowded digital marketplace. It's about understanding what people are searching for online, the answers they are seeking, the words they're using, and the type of content they wish to consume. Getting this right is critical because knowing the answers to these questions allows you to connect to the people who are searching online for the solutions you offer. If done well, SEO not only brings more traffic to your website but also attracts higher quality traffic, visitors who are more likely to become customers, subscribers, or loyal fans. So, what does an SEO specialist do? An SEO specialist wears many hats. They're part researcher, part analyst, part content creator, and part tech whiz. They conduct comprehensive keyword research, optimize the website content and its design, create engaging and relevant content, handle technical SEO aspects, and build quality backlinks. But here's the thing, the world of SEO is dynamic and ever-evolving. Search engines constantly update their algorithms, technology advances, and user behavior changes. This means, as an SEO specialist, you're always learning, always adapting, and always experimenting. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds like a lot. And yes, it is, but don't worry, we're going to break it down for you. We'll dive into each of these tasks, explain why they're important, and give you a glimpse into the daily life of an SEO specialist. So, buckle up as we delve into the fascinating world of SEO. We're going to start by looking at one of the most fundamental tasks in an SEO specialist's role, keyword research and analysis. This is the cornerstone of any successful SEO strategy. So, are you ready to dive in? Now let's delve into the key tasks involved in SEO positions. The first major task in SEO is keyword research and analysis. This is the foundation of any successful SEO strategy and forms the bedrock of your online presence. Picture this as a treasure hunt, with keywords being the treasure that we're all after. So how do we start this hunt? The first step is to conduct comprehensive keyword research. This involves identifying relevant terms and phrases that your target audience might use when searching for your products, services, or content. Imagine being in the shoes of your audience. What would you type into that search bar? This is where your journey begins. However, not all treasures are equal. Some are more valuable than others. That's where keyword competition and search volume come into play. These two factors help us prioritize which keywords to target. High search volume keywords mean that many people are looking for that particular term, while low competition keywords mean there's less contention for those search rankings. Striking a balance between these two factors can be the difference between being lost in the crowd or standing out from the pack. Now, this might sound like a daunting task, but fear not. We're not left to fend for ourselves in this vast digital landscape. There are numerous keyword research tools at our disposal. These tools help us uncover valuable insights and fine-tune our keyword strategy. They can reveal which keywords your competitors are ranking for, suggest related keywords you might not have considered, and even predict future keyword trends. It's like having a treasure map in your hands. However, the keyword research and analysis process doesn't end here. It's an ongoing task that requires regular review and adjustment. As trends shift and consumer behaviors evolve, so too must our keyword strategy. Remember, SEO is not a one-time effort, but a continuous journey. So that's keyword research and analysis. It's about diving deep into the minds of your audience, understanding their language, and then utilizing that knowledge to guide your SEO strategy. Remember, if you don't know what your audience is searching for, how can you expect to be found? Next, let's move on to on-page optimization. On-page optimization is the next key task in SEO. This involves three main components: optimizing website content, enhancing website structure, and implementing schema markup. Firstly, we optimize the website content. This includes tweaking titles, meta descriptions, and headings to align with our target keywords. It's like giving a roadmap to search engines, guiding them to understand what our page is about. Secondly, we improve the website structure and navigation. This is not only for better user experience, but also to make it easier for search engines to crawl and index our site. Think of it as tidying up your room so that your friends and Google can easily find what they're looking for. Lastly, we implement schema markup. This is a type of microdata that creates rich snippets in search results, boosting our page's visibility. On-page optimization is vital, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. Let's explore content creation and optimization next. Content creation and optimization form another crucial aspect of SEO. This involves developing high-quality, relevant content that not only satisfies user intent, but also addresses specific search queries. The goal here is to provide value to your audience, while simultaneously improving your website's visibility on search engine results pages. The process starts with understanding your target audience and what they're searching for. This information guides the development of content that is both engaging and informative. Once you have this high-quality content, it's time for optimization. This includes incorporating target keywords naturally within the content while maintaining readability and relevance. Remember, keyword stuffing is a big no-no. Additionally, multimedia elements such as images and videos need to be optimized. This optimization ensures that these elements are indexed by search engines and also enhances user engagement. It's all about creating a balance between user experience and search engine requirements. Content is king in SEO, but there's more to SEO than just content. Let's look at the technical side next. Technical SEO is where we delve into the nitty-gritty of website performance. It's like the backstage crew of a theater production, often out of sight, but undoubtedly critical to the overall performance. So what goes on behind the curtain in the world of technical SEO? Firstly, we perform website performance audits. This process involves scrutinizing the various aspects of a website's performance, such as load times, mobile responsiveness, and crawl errors. It's like giving your website a thorough health checkup, picking up on any issues that might be hindering its performance on search engine results pages. Imagine you're a search engine. If you encounter a site that's slow to load, difficult to navigate, or filled with broken links, you're less likely to recommend it to users. Hence, identifying and rectifying these issues is a crucial part of technical SEO. Next, there's the optimization of site speed. In an age of instant gratification, a slow-loading site can be the kiss of death. It can drive away potential visitors and lower your search engine ranking. Therefore, SEO specialists work tirelessly to streamline code, optimize images, and implement various other strategies to keep your website running as smoothly and quickly as possible. Finally, we come to the implementation of canonical tags, redirects, and XML sitemaps. These tasks may sound a bit technical, but essentially, they're all about making it easier for search engines to understand your site. Canonical tags help prevent duplicate content issues. Redirects guide search engines and users when pages move, and XML sitemaps provide a roadmap for search engines to crawl your site more effectively. In essence, technical SEO is about creating a seamless user and search engine experience. It's about ensuring that your website doesn't just look great, but performs exceptionally well too. Technical SEO is crucial for a well-optimized website, but there's one more task to explore: link building and outreach. Link building and outreach are the final key tasks in SEO. These tasks revolve around acquiring high-quality backlinks from authoritative websites, a process that bolsters domain authority and improves search rankings. But it's not just about getting any backlinks. The focus is on quality over quantity, with links from reputable sources carrying more weight in the eyes of search engines. Outreach campaigns are often conducted to establish partnerships and earn relevant inbound links. These campaigns involve connecting with bloggers, influencers, and other key players within your industry, fostering relationships that can lead to valuable link opportunities. But the work doesn't stop there. SEO specialists also monitor link profiles, keeping a watchful eye for any toxic or spammy backlinks that could harm the website's reputation or rankings. These unwanted links can be disavowed, essentially telling search engines to ignore them. And that's a wrap on the key tasks involved in SEO positions. Remember, the field of SEO is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay informed and adaptable. So there you have it, the essential tasks of an SEO specialist. From conducting in-depth keyword research to optimizing every on-page element, from creating engaging, keyword-rich content to resolving technical issues, and from building valuable backlinks to conducting effective outreach campaigns. The role of an SEO professional is indeed multifaceted. But remember, the landscape of SEO is ever-changing. As our digital world continues to evolve, new trends emerge, algorithms update, and technologies advance. SEO professionals must keep their fingers on the pulse of these changes, adapting strategies and tactics as necessary to ensure the best possible search visibility for the websites they manage. By understanding and mastering these tasks, SEO specialists can drive significant improvements in search visibility and organic traffic for any website. The world of SEO is vast and complex, but with dedication and a keen eye for detail, it's a world that can be navigated successfully. Here's to your journey in mastering the art of SEO.